Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, top cover, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from the webcam module. Slowly peel the display panel cable away from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Place the display panel cable over its markings on the display enclosure, and push down to reattach it to the display enclosure. Connect the display panel cable to the webcam module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.